want it that way. I don't like it swimming. I'm gonna drown. Yeah. Oh my god. I'm so hungry, guys. Okay, so guys, I'm just so hungry, guys. Now it's raining. Super big. Super big right now. You could see it. See? You have umbrella here. See the tricycle. Look, you see that droplet? Oh my god. See that droplet? The umbrella? That's rain. Yeah, so even right here. I'm in a jacket right now. Yeah. So I'm going to be a mukbang. TikTok vlog. Super. Oh, I call my super TikTok first. They're making money. What money? TikTok can give you money? What money, you little freak mom? Okay, we're just gonna wait. Okay, we're here. We're here now. I'm gonna be mukbang. See, I told you. It's, oh my god! Aray ko! Buti naman hindi ako mahulog. Okay, we're here.
Lalim, no?
Okay.
Madulas.
Wow! Okay, buti naman. Okay, so guys. Buti naman. Okay, so we're gonna find a seat. Right over here. Oh my god. Sweet and spicy na chicken. Sweet and spicy na chicken.
Ha?
Sweet and spicy na chicken.
Fish chicken?
One fish. Spicy.
Spicy?
Sweet and spicy. Yung ano?
Ito. Parang chicken man din.
Okay. So, got the choking. Okay, we're gonna wait. Oh, cup. No. I'm gonna use something for the stand. Myself.
So, panay babas lang dalawa. Mga signal siguro. Kaya, wait, call my kids. Dallas come. Sabi ko, Dallas come.
Uy, jacket ko naman. Uy,
Lagi na ito pumapasok ng babae. Sino to? Sabi niya, uy, mga timukuan. Saya po.
Huwag mo ilagay yung dyan kasi kakain.
Yan, sa akin pa. Lagyan mo dyan.
Ano ba yan, Dek? Loko tong rahat eh, six na binibigyan eh. Bag. Yung raha ba, six na binibigyan niya. Kami,
Pure No, pure chocolate.